David.
Bobby?
David.
What are you doing?
Put these on.
But why?
We're going to Vegas. Grab your camera. We got to go.
What?
Yeah, we're going to Vegas. Grab your camera. We got to go. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Hey guys, how you doing? This is Bobby with KHB Construction. We're here at Design and Construction Week in Las Vegas, Nevada. We got a lot of cool vendors here showing you some new products from all over the world. Really excited to show you what they have. Let's get inside and check it out. Ooh. Talk about hyperspace, huh? Knows outside temperature, or?
I think it's from your phone. You connect that like the Bluetooth.
Okay.
And then you're able to set this.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a defogger.
That's the defogger.
Yeah.
What's that? That's on, off. Oh, okay. Hey everybody, this is Bobby with KHB Construction. We're here at Design and Construction Week. We're here with one of our favorite products here, Zipwall. I got Dan here that's going to show us some new products that we're going to be bringing into your homes here in the next couple months. You guys are really excited about it. I'm going to let Dan run away. Tell us about this thing, Dan. What do we got going on here?
Thank
This
you,
looks like
Bobby.
a really cool wall.
Appreciate it. Hi everybody, welcome. And yeah, we have the brand new Zip Door Magnetic. So, you know, most of you guys probably know Zipwall for our poles and our zippers and our dust barrier containment system. What we have here, guys, is a little bit different. We got our brand new self-closing, reusable Zip Door Magnetic. So as I walk through this door,
Ooh, that's cool.
it's going to close
cool.
automatically behind me. So what this is, it's a more user-friendly experience for the contractor and the homeowner. It's reusable. The tape is included with the kit. It's a special double-side tape, so it's not going to damage any painted or finished surfaces. The other side of the adhesive is much stronger. It's going to hold that door in place. So it's really a very innovative new doorway design that takes that door concept to the next level.
I'm looking here too. It says flame retardant?
Absolutely, yep. So
Really?
for anybody that's doing any healthcare work, for example, government, education, right? Sometimes they require that healthcare spec, or the flame retardant spec rather. So it fits those types of jobs as well.
No, I can only imagine the security a homeowner must feel. I mean, especially with what we do, knowing that the area that's being partitioned off is protected even further, right?
Absolutely.
Not only dust, but now flame and heat.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's really cool.
What our flame retardant products have a Class A flame rating, and so that's that's related to the flame spread rating. So it's the Class A is the highest designation for building materials.
Awesome. That's really cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
So yeah, it fits really well into the whole Zipwall concept. I mean, as you mentioned, we're all about protecting the home, protecting the homeowner, and Zipwall really goes a long way towards helping to create that feeling from the homeowner, which as a contractor helps you get more referrals, helps you get better business, better referrals, better business, better online reviews. It goes hand in hand with really helping you build your business reputation.
Yeah. Oh no, we use you guys all the time. Homeowners love it. We get complimented on your original product daily. Absolutely. You know, they're like, wow, we cannot believe how great the dust protection's been. Can't believe how awesome the contractor has been making sure that our home is safe and protected, especially with animals, people with allergies. That stuff helps too. So really, really cool. Dan, I really
phenomenal. Thanks, Bobby.
I really appreciate you telling us about the product, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, stay tuned. That is incredible.
So you know, a lot of people are saying, right, it's going to be warm, but it's not going to avoid that you're going to like burn yourself to it, right? You're not going to have that scalding burn. You're not going to be into that. Want that, please?
That's it's hard to beat. All right, we're here in the North Hall, Design and Construction Week. We got Kohler behind me. We got Moen over here. They got some really, really cool products I want to show you. Let's go check them out. Isn't that good looking? See how it all matches? So you can have that full open. Don't have that ugly black or white pipe under there. So have you look at this? They're doing backup generators now. Residential backup generators. Isn't that cool? Have one of those in your house? What is this? So water-wise system? What is this?
So this is basically leak detection, water usage monitoring, and freeze mitigation.
Oh, okay. So if something happens, it shuts off the water.
Yeah,
if it detects a leak.
Yeah, it shut off because they can detect a very minor leaks. So
does it learn? Is that what it does? It learns.
Yes.
Okay.
First of all, that our pressure sensor can sense 240 times per second.
Wow.
So the way it's minor pressure variations.
Wow.
Will record it. And
Wow.
second of all, that so it can detect.
So it's monitoring everything right now.
All the different fixtures levels.
Sure.
And the third one is just freeze mitigation. So you have frozen pipes, so we can open up a faucet and it will relieve the pressure.
Oh, it relieves. Okay, so that way it doesn't pop. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. I don't know why that screams KB, but it screams KB. It's like something she'd do. Don't make a lot of noise, Bob. Ooh, yeah, you ever seen something like this? These are pretty cool. Little oh yeah, it's got the little, oh yeah. That's very ergonomic. I like that. That's neat. I love this frickin' tub. So I hate black plumbing fixtures, or black tubs, all that. I hate those things. This one's cool with the white and the black. And it's smooth on the outside. KB would like it. Rose, I think this is something Rose might like too. That doesn't work properly though. I broke it. Whoops. We're here at Design Construction Week. We got one of our favorite appliance manufacturers right behind us, Zline. We're gonna go inside and show you some of the cool products that they're putting out this year. Let's go see what they got. Zline sells knives?
Yeah.
What? I love knives. We do full builds, full guts, custom cabinets, appliance sets. And we have design in-house. So designers come in, purchase and select for homeowners and get all that stuff set up. We just generally, it seems like Zline is the best bang for anybody's buck right now. It's an awesome product.
Have you ever worked with our Doorstud finish before? That's been something that's been very popular in people that are like almost like mechanics, people that work with their hands because they're known to be rougher with their appliances. That we've been selling a lot of this, and then people who are just setting it on their thing and scratching it, it's easier to buff them out.
Sure.
So pans, anything can scratch stainless steel. It happens, you know.
Yeah.
So it's been something we've been have a great selling point on the Doorstud just because of that feature.
Sure. Okay. That's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. And
Wow,
you guys
way
can
cool.
take, like a closer look too.
Sure. Yeah. And that's on all the appliances too, like
Correct, yeah. So it has
trash
a
compactors, all that.
And that's an 18-inch dishwasher.
Whoa, that's a little dishwasher. Little dishwasher. I like that. That'd be good like in a studio or something like that. That'd be really, really cool.
Well, it's ADA compliant too, so you can use it in like a studio, you can use it for...
ADA compliant even. Okay, wow. Wouldn't that be cool? That'd be really cool having that on the wall. Like imagine this is like your tub right here and that's your window looking outside. That'd be really dope. Oh man, that'd be cool.
You can change the beam spreads to make it depending on whatever focal points you're trying to eliminate. So it's a super flexible fixture. And one of the things I like to do is I like to stand here and show people that like those lights are not glary, and that's what's lighting that painting.
No, exactly.
You know, to contrast it kind of what you got going on over there.
Is there a lens or anything that covers it so that we can't see the housing inside there?
You can, we can. I mean, the showers for sure. This is really neat. This is our new Unilume tape. So if you think about most tape, it's, you see the pixels of light.
Yeah, it's awful,
I like showing it on the ground over there. You can see the pixels underneath their booth right there, right?
Yeah, you can see every single individual.
So this is really cool. You see how thin that is. It's IP67 wet rated.
Okay.
And when I plug it in, so there's no pixels at all.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Different colors too, or is it all
Every
one color?
temperature.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hands-free install
Okay.
tool for doors, moving.
That's how it works. Okay, look at that. No way.
Clip on, it's 1 3/8 inches.
Okay.
And if you take the clip off, it's 1 3/4 inches.
And what holds it on? Is it magnetic or something, or
It's just the clip.
or is it just
wraps
different
around.
clips?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Okay. Different ones.
The
Okay.
toggle clamp is what holds it to the door.
No way.
Just reverse the jig, the molding. You make the same exact cut in reverse. Don't move the saw. And because of that, it gives you an absolute perfect
Look
layer
at
cut
that.
every single time.
Look at that.
This is just something we're trying to get like feedback from people like you and people at the show.
Sure. Sure.
Like what do you think about it? Like,
Personally, I love it.
yeah.
Personally, I think it's really, really cool. I think it looked good too if you did. I think I saw yesterday it was here, you had the anodized black knobs.
Yeah.
I think that looked really good too. It'd tie
We
in
do
well
that
with
for-
these.
This is our Master Series.
Sure.
So we do the black and the gold knobs for all of our Master Series products.
Yep, yep.
So we can be interchanged. I
Yep.
think the gold might even.
The gold might be good too, especially touching up with this. I mean, yeah, you could do either of them. I think would look good.
Yeah.
It's just cool because it's bronze. You don't see that often in an appliance.
And then we have our new carbon paint. That's available. So that's
Carbon paint. What's that?
Yeah.
No. Can you show me that? Well, it looks durable. I mean, how is the durability of the finish? I mean, it's tough, like scratch-proof, all that stuff. People think about it and they see like that. What is it called? Flexi dip or flexi dip stuff, and it just gets all nasty.
Oh, yeah.
And you can take it, you can take almost like that latex finish, and you just go, and it scrapes right off. Yeah, you never want that. See that? Just see that clean right up though. Look at that. That's tough. When you're in Las Vegas and you've been drinking, this is the proper way to eat a banana. Break it in half. Push pop. Hey guys, this is Bobby Runyon here with KHB Construction. We're here at Design and Construction Week in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Convention Center. We're here with Buildertrend, great platform that we use to bring transparency to our clients with scheduling, daily logs, videos and content to make sure that you guys are getting everything you need as a client. He's got some new features that he wants to tell us about that we can show you guys in 2023, and I'm really excited to hear about them. What do we got for us?
Bobby, always a pleasure.
Great to see you, man.
Absolutely. And we love these guys. And really, I think, if we had a picturesque client that we would love to talk about and have talk about us, it's these guys, KHB. So one thing that I think is really important is, really enhancing their experience so they can enhance yours. And a couple of things that we're doing right now is really focusing in on estimating, right? If we can get a really rock solid estimate put together that helps you guys understand what your cost is and what their cost is so they can operate as a company, the better off your experience is going to be. And we've got a new takeoff platform that we're implementing that we acquired. We've got a cost inbox for them to better track their job costs. And all of that trickles down to you as a client. And that's going to give you all an overall better experience. They're already using our owner portal. I'm sure you've all experienced that and really giving you the best experience they can, but we're going to provide more tools for them to put in their tool belt to give you guys an even better experience.
Oh yeah, no, we're excited. We love your daily logs.
Absolutely.
We love estimation software. We've been using it for,
Oh, yeah.
we're habitual spiritual users the last 2 years. You guys have been awesome.
I can attest this is true.
Oh yeah, no, and cost estimating, I mean, that's so important to you as a client. When we come to you with a number, we know what it costs us to do this project, and we know what we need to make on this project in order to make sure that in the years down the road, 10, 15 years, when something goes wrong, you need something, call us, we can get that done for you. So that's what we're here for.
Absolutely.
Sean, it's always a pleasure,
Always
dude.
a pleasure,
We
man.
love you guys, man.
Absolutely.
You guys are the best. Thank you so much.
Cheers to that.
Thank you guys for tuning in. This has been a wrap on Design Construction Week at the International Builder Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Convention Center. We're done. I got nothing else.
Done.
Let's have a
Signing off.
blast. Let's have a drink. Let's have a beer.
Let's do it.